That kills my TMJ so bad. Oh my god. I wasn't going to do this, but what happened was I got the tomato one. It was cold. It's disgusting. So you're allowed to order anything on the snacks menu, and it's included in first class. So this is what you get in a takeoff box. Plus Bailey's Irish cream. Number 5. No, I'm kidding. This is the first one. I'm not complaining, but it didn't give me a straw. What the hell is this today? No straws? Okay. Oh, my nose. The unboxing. Okay, we got multi-grain. We're going to call it a cracker. It's a fancy cracker. I can't tell what that is. Almonds. Ooh, what are you? Cream crackers. Cream crackers. Now we have to actively be eating here, people. Let me get a cracker in my mouth. Wait. Wait. Yeah. I'm eating. There we go. Okay, wait. Salami. And my tray is a little effed up here. What are you? Oh, neat. Bananas. Where are you? Okay. Apples and bananas. It's a mini fruit bar. Oh, apple, banana. Okay, gotcha. Ooh. Okay, we got smoked Gouda. I'll tell you why I got this in a minute. Just hold on, wait a minute. White cheddar. And apparently we put them on with our fingers. Oh God, oh God. This is the reason I got it. It came with chocolate. Chocolate. Yeah. Okay, actually the stick is going to come in handy because they've given me no damn utensils. Wait, they gave me a napkin but no utensils, I guess, for wiping your fingers afterwards. Oh my God. I sprayed my nose and it's so dry now, it's even worse. Alright, let's go with the smoked Gouda. What brand are we here? Glacier Ridge Farms. Okay, wait. Oh, that's smoked. Whoa, what is smoked? Alright, oh, good thing I got a stick. Stick. You can't even see. Wait, I'll spit it on in a minute. Wait. Oh, it popped right out. It plopped right out. Okay, we're going to try and spread this Gouda on this cracker. Oh my God, now I'm going to have to sneeze and I don't have my mask on. Everyone's going to kill me. That's good. That's good. That's pretty good. Wait a minute. Don't drop on my Netflix shirt. I don't know what happened to my pants, but something got on my pants somewhere along the line. Somewhere. Wait a minute. I'm going to be thirsty in a hot minute. You know how salty this stuff is? We're actively chewing here, people. Keep chewing. Keep chewing. I'm chewing. Thank you. Getting a little dry here. Oh my God. Don't cough. I hit the back of my throat. We're actively eating and drinking here, people. Some guy came on. He had it only covering his mouth. She tells him, put it up. Captain makes a thing like, oh, God. I'm like, I got my camera ready. Let's pull him off. He went to the back, so I don't know what happens back there. I'm up first class. No, when I say the peasants, people call me bitchy. I'm just having fun, guys. Peasants. Alright. This is white cheddar. And we're actively eating here later. I don't want to get in trouble. Keep chewing. Keep chewing. Chewing. The pressure here. The pressure is on. It's like, get your mask back on. Hurry up. It's ridiculous. Oh my god, this is so gooey. Alright. It looks like glue. Hope it tastes better than glue. I didn't know we could do this. Those little hot pockets are awful. Terrible. Right. This was cheddar. Smells good. Wait a minute. This is why I should bring another camera. Because now I can make a weird combination video here. Let's try the salami. Let's try that. Put nuts on it too, but I need another camera. When I go to the park, I use both now. I can't find it, and I'm not actively chewing, guys. Oh my god. They're gonna get me. This pressure is awful. Alright, wait. Salami slice of beef. Oh, that's good. Old Wisconsin. That's good, actually. I haven't had salami in a long time. That's really good. This is good. Much better choice. It was cold and wet. I'm like, no. I'm learning to stand up for myself better, okay? I'm trying. That's good. It's good. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna put some more cheese on that. That's really good. Oh my god. I have got to drink so much water tomorrow. I know I'm going to just be so bloated from this. Plus all the healthy, wise choices I ate at Adams. Alright. I started watching the movie The Duel, The Last Duel. Oh my god, it's so boring. So now I'm trying to put back the Black Widow on. I've only got like an hour left, so I'm trying to fast forward, get to the good part. Let's get to the good part. What was the good stuff? What's that song? Yeah, just get to the good part, right? I like when they do that and they're pregnant and boom, baby. That's cute. I like that. I could do that. I should have done that with my lips. Maybe I can still figure something out like that. Oh. Good. Okay, the stewardess is sitting down, so there's not so much pressure to be watched yet. Good. I like when the curtain's darker and they can't see us. Kidding. This is really good, actually. I hope next time, wherever I go, it's a better meal. I'll go for a box. It's good. It's really good. I never do weird. Oh, well, weird comp. Wait, there's another bread. Wait, I got another bread. There's like a senior group on the plane. There was 10 people in wheelchairs. God bless them. Good for them. Alright. My lips. It hurt. Alright, what do we got here? Won't bother looking at the calories at this point. It's a bit of a hot mess. Oh wow, it's a real hot mess here. It's all broken up. Actually, it kind of all fell into one. Wait a minute. Alright, we're back into the Gouda. We're back in the Gouda. Oh, that bread's good. Got a nice flavor to it. Like a rye. I can't believe I'm eating with a stick. Can't believe it came. Isn't that weird? It's so weird. Alright. This was better. This is more fun. It's like a kid's meal. I'm very mature for my age. Why act your age? I never understand why people make a big deal about that. Why do I have to act my age? I don't want to. And I don't have to. Mm-hmm. This is good. It's like a rye bread to it. This is more fun. Oh my god. It's multi-grain. Oh, this is only 70 calories. Way better than what I had at Burger King. Way. Oh, my lips hurt so much. They hurt. They really hurt. I'm not saying it's not worth it in the end, but they hurt. And she said I had a scar there, so the skin was a little crooked, so I think it kind of cut it a little bit, and it hurt. I don't remember ever cutting my lip, ever. I don't know. Never cut my lip. I don't know why she said that. Well, I mean, she saw or something. She deals with that. I don't. Rico said, you got a lot of mail. I don't think so. I get that thing where I get to see what mail came every day, but. And then he says, the old department got mail, so he got that. And I got a package. YouTube supposedly sent me this package that they promised us for Christmas. I just didn't think I was getting it at this point. I gave up on it. They made us fill it out like in November. Then they said December. And this is February. So it took them 4 months. I just figured they cut me off. I don't care. But I was seeing people, they want you to open it, hashtag it, advertise it, because it ain't really for free now, is it? You always got to work for it. But at least I'm still in the group. I need another video to hit 1 million, or else I'm gonna be booted out. I need something. I gotta do something. That's good. We need a new movie, a fad to come out on Netflix. Another Squid Games type thing. I mean, I know they're trying. There's nothing's really clicking yet. And those people are not supposed to come over into our side. Oh. You gotta go, you're gonna do it, you gotta do it. I would. I mean, how many people are back there with one bathroom? I hate that. I got no more bread. It's good to spray your nose, but it's so dry now. It's like it just sucks all the moisture out of your nose. It hurts. Super uncomfortable. Oh, this is way more fun. And you don't have to pay for it either. That was just really gross. That was gross. It had to be gross because I normally will accept it. And I shouldn't. And that was bad. That was bad. It was cold and wet. I don't understand for it. I'm learning. It's hard. I'm used to being obedient and quiet. This is good. It's like pepperoni. I can't eat everything. But at least you can take it home. I might have to ring that bell. I'm going to be so damn thirsty. So salty. Hope you can hear me. Yeah, this seat, I didn't have many options available. So, but I like the aisle seat. Because I'm going to have to go to the bathroom soon and I don't have to jump over anyone. Some people, like the last time, he got out only once and I had to climb through him. Whatever. We can have the candy. I haven't had this kind in a while. Ow. This is our private bathroom. I'm trying to see if that was the guy with the mask issue. You can always tell. Again. Man. Oh, that looks fine. Oh, yeah. I was just thinking. That's it. That's it. That's cool. Wow. Only 60 calories. That's good. I like the name. That's it. Oh, I got nuts, too. That's cool. Of course, it's salty. Oh, it's smoked, too. I'll bring these two guys home. Can't do any more. I'm so damn thirsty, it's ridiculous. My ears hurt. My lips hurt. Oh, good. You want to wear your mask. My jaw hurts. Everything hurts. Once your sinuses start hurting you, everything in your head hurts. Forget it. Forget it, but wait. What's Aunt Carol say? Get this out of here. I'm glad he did that. You think there's so much time we'll be able to do so much. At least we did it once. I thought we'd do more. Oh. I'm so thirsty. That wasn't the mask guy. Probably goes all the way in the back for the cheap seats. Those kind. Holy shit, my lips hurt. This hitting them hurt. Oh god, it hurts. Look what you do, you're thirsty. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for a first class unboxing of the Takeoff Snack Box on United. First class. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and hey, hit the subscribe button. What does Adam say? It's the bloopers. It's the bloopers.